Hello, it's Roland Mills, a classically trained opera singer and former starving artist. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to inspire you to make money and build real wealth, so subscribe for more personal finance conversations like this one. Alrighty then, you know I love talking about Tesla stock, but Moderna stock has been flying this year and still has far to climb. If you're wondering why the stock jumped even higher on Thursday, I've got your back. Today we're going over why Moderna stock has been so hot, what upcoming catalysts will affect Moderna's share price, and how we could see Moderna jump to $300 per share or higher this year. Quick disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an opera singer on YouTube sharing what information has worked for me in the hopes that it will inspire you to grow your wealth as well. Before we get started, I'd like to let you in on a little superpower that each and every one of you has. It's called the like button. If you smash it, you have control over how many other people get to see this same video. Think about it. The power is yours.
The power is yours!
Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell thing that's probably right in front of my face so you don't miss out on future tips I'll be dropping along the way. Alrighty then, let's get into it. Let's talk about Moderna, one of the two biopharmaceutical companies with approved vaccines for the dreaded Rona. They are the world's best friend right now, as their vaccine has the highest efficacy rate and can be stored much easier. Historically, it takes 5 to 10 years to create a vaccine, but Moderna was able to accomplish their goal in just 9 months. Usually, vaccines are made by taking the viruses and weakening them so that they can't reproduce themselves very well, or that they can't replicate at all. We then expose ourselves to enough of the virus to develop an immunity, but not enough to make us sick. This is dangerous and takes so much time and testing to get it right. Moderna and Pfizer are proving that there is a better way. Coding. That's right, coding. Our bodies are like big, meaty computers, and with the right code or a set of instructions, our body can do almost anything. Nearly every function in the human body, both normal and disease related, is carried out by one of the many proteins that our cells create. In our biology, this code is called DNA, but it's not enough to just have a code. You have to send that code out to the right parts of our cells so that they can get to work creating the right proteins. For that, you'll need a messenger, or messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA for short. Through protein synthesis, mRNA molecules carry genetic code to your ribosomes, which are the cell's chief protein maker. Moderna and Pfizer have used mRNA messenger molecules to create a vaccine that literally tells your body how to create Rona-killing proteins, all without exposing you to the actual virus. This is huge. This process has far-reaching implications beyond this current virus. Imagine taking a shot in the near future that will tell your body how to kill your cancer. No need for surgery, no need for chemotherapy. You just directly write code that teaches your body how to target cancerous cells, and poof, no more cancer. Yeah, I've bought a decent amount of Moderna stock, and I don't plan on selling for at least a decade. Once the vaccine was approved, Moderna's share price skyrocketed. It took a little dip recently, which is always great for picking up the stock on the cheap, but it's about to jump up again. Why, you may ask? Moderna recently announced that through Japan's pharmaceutical company Takeda, they'll be enrolling 200 people for a new mRNA clinical trial. If the vaccine proves effective, which it will because we've already run through this on ourselves, Moderna will immediately gain new orders to provide the vaccine to Japan's 127 million people. That's a huge boost to demand, and as supply is already low, imagine what profits may arise. California, my current state of residence, hit the pause button on Moderna big time after rumors arose concerning allergic reactions to the vaccine.
News on this Sunday night, state health officials recommending a halt to use of a specific batch of Moderna's COVID vaccine after several patients suffer what appeared to be severe allergic reactions. A state epidemiologist issuing that startling statement tonight.
Those cases are now under investigation, and it could have wide-reaching effects. That single lot contained more than 330,000 doses. They arrived in California between January January 5th and January 12th. Health officials are recommending providers use other vaccines until further notice.
On Wednesday, when we realized that that wasn't the case, my state reversed this pause and continued dosing. Both of these catalysts equate to higher demand for Moderna. Let's talk about how much Moderna stock is about to blow up. Before that though, if you want to snag some shares of Moderna before the stock pops and get 4 free stocks along the way, check this out. Alright guys, this is Weeble. If you use my link in the description below, you can get 4 free stocks. Weeble is a self-directed brokerage app that helps you to research and execute trades on the stock market. It's free, like no money at all. Right now, if you open a Weeble brokerage account between now and the beginning of next month, you'll get 2 free stocks valued between $2.50 and $250. If you make your initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another 2 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600. That is absolutely free money. Moderna opened its doors back in 2010 and went public December 6, 2018. Since then, they haven't yet posted a profitable quarter. Right now, Moderna stock is at a respectable $131 per share. It's very possible that we can see this number shoot up to $300 or more this year. Let's talk about how. Analysts predict that this year Moderna will finally turn that corner. When Tesla finally posted their first profitable quarter, it was the beginning of a huge run-up in the stock. I suspect much of the same for Moderna. In fact, 9 analysts are predicting Moderna's earnings per share to be around $11.11 this year. If we calculate their PE ratio using this estimate, dividing the current share price of $131 by $11.11 per share, we get a price to earnings ratio of 11.79. Biopharmaceutical companies typically boast PE ratios between 20 and 30. So if we were to assume Moderna joins their ranks and pops up from 11.79 to 30, that's an increase of over 154%. So if you increase the current share price by this rate of increase, $131 quickly becomes $332 per share. I don't know about you, but that is beautiful to me. Imagine how much higher that will grow once we start seeing vaccinations, so people who are genetically susceptible to getting cancer never get cancer. Wild, right? Just to summarize today's video, Moderna and Pfizer both have approved Rona vaccines that are hitting the streets as we speak. Historically, it takes 5 to 10 years to create a vaccine, but Moderna was able to accomplish their goal in just 9 months. By coding messenger RNA molecules, Moderna has managed to give human cells the instructions they need to create proteins that fight the virus. This process is more important to humanity than just a Rona vaccine. Imagine curing all disease through this process. Moderna is now working with Japan's Takeda Pharmaceuticals to test the vaccine on 200 individuals. Once this proves effective, Japan will likely order huge amounts of the vaccine to heal their 127 million people, driving up demand and Moderna's share price as well. California has also resumed dosing its citizens with the vaccine after rumors of allergic reactions were debunked. Analysts believe that all of this will culminate in Moderna's first profitable year at an earnings per share of $11.11. If we assume Moderna will match the PE ratio of other successful biopharmaceutical companies, we are looking at a 154% increase over Moderna's current share price of $131. I expect to see Moderna climb to over $300 per share this year, and will definitely be throwing whatever spare change I have after, buying Tesla stock into picking up more shares of Moderna. With advances like this coming to the world in such a short time, I no longer need to stress. I can just sit back, relax, and, enjoy a good book. Like this one, written by my beautiful wife, Jessie Marie. Link below in the description if you're curious. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. I'll eventually monetize this channel just so YouTube will blast it out to more people, but I really am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I truly believe that there must be a way for artists like myself to create without becoming starving artists. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips, reaction videos, and stories from my days as a performer in the future. In the meanwhile, feel free to follow me on Instagram and comment down below if there's a topic you'd like to see me tackle next. Till the next time, I hope you all keep creating and spreading love through your art. That's something money can't buy, and it's the best part of the human experience. Much love. Bye.